Right, welcome back. Let's do the last part of our question 1, which is question 1b. Right, in the diagram below, AB has a gradient of 5, and then in the equation of AC is 2y minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Calculate the size of theta. Right, now we need to find the angle of inclination of AB, which is going to be this angle, the big one. Okay. And then we find the angle of inclination of AC, which is this angle here. You see that? Which is this angle here. And then if we say angle of inclination of AB minus the angle of inclination of AC, we're going to find our theta. Okay? So now we have to find the angle of inclination for AB and the angle of inclination for AC. And then we subtract them. And we're going to get what? Our theta there. Right, so let's start with AB. Remember that tan theta is equal to m, the gradient. Okay, so we're given the gradient for AB. So let's just find our angle BAX. So we're saying here tan angle BAX. So it's going to be tan BAX is equal to 5. And then how do we find the angle? So we say arctan, the inverse of tangent of an angle. So it's going to be arctan 5. Okay, what is arctan 5? It's going to be angle BAX is equal to 78.69 degrees. So this big angle is 78.69 degrees. And then let's go to the line AC. How are we going to find the line AC? We're given the equation. Okay, by the way, how do we find the gradient of a line from the equation? We have to write our equation in the form y is equal to mx plus c, or you can say even f of x is equal to ax plus q. Okay, we know that our m here or our a, they represent the gradients. Okay, so let's just restructure this equation. So it's going to be 2y minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then 2y is equal to x minus 1, isn't it? Yes, I'm right. And then divide everything by 2. Y is equal to half x minus half. Okay, you see that? So it means our gradient is 2. Our gradient is not 2. The gradient is half. So the gradient of AC, so MAC is equal to half. Okay, so now we want the angle. Which angle? CAX. So it means tangent of angle tan CAX is equal to half. Okay, and then arctan to find the angle. Arctan is equal to arctan half, 1 over 2. Right, and then what do we get? We get that angle CAX is equal to 26.57 degrees. So this angle, the smaller angle here, is 26.57 degrees. Now we need to find this angle theta, this one. So what do? We say 78.69 degrees minus 26.57 degrees. So therefore, angle theta is equal to 78.69 degrees minus 26.57 degrees. And then what do you get? Theta is equal to 32.12 decrease. Done. We are done with the question 1. We're going to meet when we do question 2. Goodbye.